and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Kindle for studying. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use Kindle for studying, you can simply go and tap open your Kindle, and you can use your Kindle for studying by utilizing features like highlighting, note taking, and the dictionary for active engagement. You can export highlights to email for review. You can use X-ray to understand key terms and leverage flashcard apps like Flash Recall for spaced repetitions. You can simply organize material into collection and use the Kindle Scribe for direct annotation. You can simply actively participate in highlighting and noting. You can build your vocabulary, and you can simply display short definitions of difficult words, which is useful for language learning. So you can use the collection feature to categorize your study materials for easier navigation as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.